Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can upload videos on Medal TV. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. Basically, the first thing that you actually want to do is to navigate through the Medal application right here. And simply once inside, you want to navigate through your clips library. There's two ways to do this, which is to upload our clip right here or to import one. So first things first, let's go ahead and upload one of our clips. Now it's going to be extremely simple. Once again, navigate through the clip that you want to upload. Click on this three dots that will basically prompt you to another pop-up menu. And then just make sure to actually click on the send or share button. We also have the post to profile if you want to. So just simply click on it. And here, make sure that it's public so people can actually see it. And then we can click on post. You can add captions if you want to, but in my case, I'm just going to post it normally. Now, the other thing that you could do is to actually click on the page or video itself. And from here, we have the share button. We could send it to our phone, share to TikTok, send to Discord, or we could basically download it and upload it in any other way. And if you have a video outside Medal TV, head over to the clips library once again. Click on the import button, which is going to be this one. And then you could just look for the video that you want to import. So let's click on videos. Let's go ahead and import this video right here. And then we could just do the same thing, which is we can edit it. You can simply click on it, click on share, and you're good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.